In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Notion. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to turn your existing Notion databases into clear, visual charts that make trends and progress easy to understand. Let's start with the fastest approach, adding a chart right on any page. Place your cursor where you want the chart to appear, type /, then the word chart, and press enter. Notion will open a panel where you can choose a chart type and connect it to an existing database. You'll see options like vertical bar, horizontal bar, line, and donut. Think of vertical bar charts for comparing categories side by side. Horizontal bar charts when category names are long or you prefer a left-to-right comparison. Line charts for data that changes over time, and donut charts for showing parts of a whole at a glance. After you pick a type, select the database that contains the numbers or categories you want to visualize. This doesn't create a new database. It simply pulls from one you already have, such as tasks, sales, content, or habit tracking. Notion will use relevant properties like numbers, dates, or tags to build your visualization. So make sure the database you choose includes the fields that matter to your analysis. The result is an embedded chart block that lives right on your page. Perfect for reports, dashboards, or quick status updates. Now, if you are already inside a database and want a chart that lives alongside your other views, here is the second approach. Open the database. Look to the top left where your current views are listed, things like table, board, calendar, or timeline, and click the plus button next to them. From the drop-down, select Chart. This creates a dedicated chart view for the database, so you can switch between your table or board and the new chart with a single click. It's great for teams who want a permanent visualization that stays in context with the data and updates automatically as entries change. Choose the same chart types: vertical bar, horizontal bar, line, or donut, and Notion will guide you through connecting the relevant properties within that database. Use the page-level chart when you need a quick visualization embedded in a narrative or dashboard. And use the database view when you want a persistent, switchable chart right where your data lives. Either way, you'll turn raw information into something you can see, compare, and act on in seconds. Thanks for watching.